Afternoon, my dear children. Today also we will continue the revision data handling chapter. After that, a small written test will be conducted on the same. So please be ready with your maths notebook. You can write as continuation. Please wait. Please hear my instruction well. I am going to share a few questions. You don't want to copy down the questions. Okay. If you want, you can leave space for writing question. This question is already there in your textbook, so no need to write down the question. Just write the answer, and we will be discussing the answers after that. After that, in the notebook itself, in a new page, I will conduct class tests. Is that clear to everyone? For test also, class test also, you don't want to copy down the question,
Okay,
only
ma'am.
the answer. Okay, you have to write only the answer. Now everybody open your notebook, and the
Yes,
first question, again I am repeating, no need to copy down the question. Yes, Mayasa, please unmute. What is your doubt?
ma'am, did you send in the WhatsApp that no,
Yes, these questions I will send in the WhatsApp.
ma'am, no, that last day's notebook.
Last date's notes I already sent. I
Okay, ma'am.
already sent that tally marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I want Sri Rugda to read the question. Please unmute and read the question, Sri Rugda.
The colors of different
Mm,
frogs
mm,
owned
mm,
by
mm. Rashi.
Rashi
Mm,
are
mm.
represent
Yellow,
yellow, pink,
pink.
blue,
Let it be
green.
there. That let them read. After that, what do you have to do?
Represent this data in the form
Mm.
of a table using tally marks.
Yes. So, my dear children, only you have to draw this table and find the number of items, tally marks, and put the tally marks and find the number of items. Everybody start doing fast. Put question number 1. You already written, so put today's date and put question number 1. So again I am repeating, no need to copy down the question. Just draw the table and put the tally mark and find the number of items.
Ma'am, we want to draw that column.
Yes, table you have to draw.
Ma'am, we should write. Ma'am, which page number?
No need to take page number, my dear. Just write the answer in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Joy, are you doing?
Ma'am, which page number?
You don't want to take any page, my dear. Just draw the tables and write the answer. Put the tally mark and write the answer. No need to write the question.
Okay, ma'am.
So in the colors column, you can write yellow, pink, blue, green.
Ma'am, I finished.
Very good. And after that, red.
Ma'am, I finished.
Very good. Please wait. Let others complete so that we can discuss the answer.
Blue, blue, red, yellow, red,
Ma'am, I do yesterday this question workbook.
Very good.
finish.
Finished. So anyway, those who have doubt to do, I'll do it for you. Yellow.
Ma'am, not
Yellow.
completed.
Okay, this is not test. So those who are continuing, you can continue. Pink, pink. Blue, blue. Green, green. Yellow, yellow. Red, red. Pink, pink. Blue, blue. Blue, blue. Red, red. Yellow, yellow. Red, red. Blue, blue. Pink, pink. Red, red. Yellow, yellow. Over. So yellow how many?
4,
4. Pink,
3,
pink.
3,
Blue,
4,
green,
1,
red,
4.
4.
4.
3, 4, 1.
Have you all checked your answers?
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
So let us do one more question.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anybody to complete the table?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, next
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Hale, haven't completed? No. Too fast? Too fast? Too fast?
Completed, ma'am.
Very good.
Completed, ma'am.
After that, next question.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, second question. Let Hale complete.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay, my dear. Please wait. Let our Hale complete. Hale completed.
Can you disable the chat?
Can I take next question, Hale?
Ma'am, can you disable the chat?
Disable the chat.
Ma'am, Hadi is
Okay.
sending answers.
Okay. I disabled. Now, I hope Hale has completed. Hale? Have you completed Hale? Yes or no?
Ma'am, finished.
Sorry? Who is now?
Ma'am, here there was a network issue, so I can't complete it.
My dear, I will share the same thing in the WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because if
Ma'am,
again
in
I am
which book and page number?
that are all the things I will share. Please wait.
Now we have to write the table.
Now for this question also we have to you have to write the table. You have to draw the table. You have to prepare the table. Okay.
Ma'am, can you
And
tell
what
me?
will write?
Wait. Hannah, please unmute and read the question.
Ma'am, can you tell me the page number and book?
My dear, please do this question. After that, I'll give you the
Ma'am, now only
previous
in which
questions.
page number?
Hannah, please unmute. The
Ma'am,
previous
now only
question I
join.
will share in the
Page
WhatsApp,
number.
my dear. I will
Yes,
share
ma'am.
the answer in the WhatsApp, question and answer in the WhatsApp. Please, now for the
Ma'am.
time being, please do this question.
Ma'am, I join now only which page number?
No need to take any page. In the maths notebook, you have to draw the table and write answer for this. Only that much. Okay.
Ma'am,
Uh,
I wrote in the rough book.
it will be better if you are writing in the rough maths notebook. Hannah, please unmute again and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The number of two
Wheelers,
wheelers,
uh,
three wheelers, and
uh,
four wheelers are
uh,
as given.
uh,
Two wheelers 24,
uh,
three wheelers 10,
mm,
four wheelers 9.
uh.
Represent this data in a table using tally mark.
Yes. So everybody, please prepare the table. And in the
Ma'am, can
first,
I mute?
yes, you can mute. And what you have to write in the first column, Vaishnav? This our Vaishnav. Yes, Vaishnav, please unmute and tell me what you have to write in the first column. Two wheelers, three wheelers, like that is given. So what you will write in the first column?
Vehicles.
Vehicles. Yes. So first, the first column, give the title vehicles. After that, tally marks. Then numbers. Two wheelers. Three wheelers. Anne Maria has completed.
Finish, ma'am.
Have you all completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. I
ma'am.
finished.
Okay, okay, okay. Now let us do.
Doing now. I didn't finish.
Okay, okay, you can do it now. Okay. Only write the table, only draw the table. Nothing else you have to do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am, for
two.
today only this much?
Sorry?
Only 2 questions?
No. After that, after this question, I am going to conduct a class test.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So 24. How we will draw 24? 1,
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
5 slant.
6, 7,
6, 7,
8,
8,
9,
9, 10
10,
slant.
11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The fifth line should be slant. Now 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All of you check your answer first. Please check your answers. Everyone.
I is correct.
Okay, very good. Anybody has doubt how to draw tally marks?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, sure. The tally mark table is very important for exam. Okay, so please practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Which chapter is class test today?
The same chapter I'm going to conduct. Same topic.
I'm written test.
Ah, yes, written test.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, is there anybody to complete this one?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, can we start the test?
Yes, ma'am.
We want to write the test in the
No, no, no. In the maths notebook itself. Take.
not.
In the notebook itself.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am. He
Let
did
me-
not finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, my table is 11. There are so many people.
Sorry?
Ma'am,
Ah,
I table, but there are many spaces down.
sorry?
There are so many spaces down.
So, it's okay. Still, you take a new page.
Okay,
Or
ma'am.
otherwise, next chapter revision you can continue in the down. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, are you all ready for the test?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
he still no.
my dear, only 3 numbers you have to put tally marks. Still, you haven't completed Hale. Huh? Hale? Where is our Hale? Complete it fast.
Ma'am, my book is missing.
Book is missing. Please find out it. Otherwise, exam is there. Hale. When you complete, please tell me, okay? Hale. Completed. No.
Ma'am, she said yes.
My dear.
And they are chatting.
I disabled the chat.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, you did not.
Okay. Hale.
Hail finish.
Ma'am, here.
Completed Hale? Say yes or no. Yes. Okay. Now all of you take new page and write class test Chapter 12.
We have to write the chapter.
Yes. Data handling. And in the same topic, one MCQ
In the
also I
notebook,
will
right?
conduct tomorrow. Okay. In the notebook, you can write. No need to write the question. No need to write the question. Please write the answers. Only the answer. First question. The different types of ice cream in Raj shops are as follows: cones, small cups, medium cups, large cups, tubs, like that. Some types of ice creams are given, and you have to prepare a tally mark table. I have not written that, but you have to prepare a table. Okay. Eight.
Ma'am, we want to write the question.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
No need to write question, my dear. Only want to write the answer. Many times I told, no dear.
Okay, ma'am.
What will be right for first column?
That you have to read the question thoroughly and check what you want to write.
Two, three, four. Ma'am, finish.
Okay, let us this complete.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, dear, let us this complete.
Ma'am, can you make the board little up,
Yes.
down?
Yes,
I can't
absolutely.
see the question.
Okay.
Ma'am, finished.
Have you all completed?
No, ma'am.
Do.
No,
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, is there anybody to complete?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My dear student, no need to
Ma'am.
question, only the answer I told you.
Ma'am, I'm not rated finish answer.
Fast.
Answer.
1 more minute, within that you have to complete. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I tell the first question?
Wait. One more question is there, my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are telling the question after the second question.
Sorry.
You are telling this question's answer after the second question.
Yes. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Seema bought the following fruits: banana, apple, watermelon, mango, like that. Few fruits are there. How many of each fruit did Seema buy? Represent the data in the following in the form of a table using tally marks. So
Okay, ma'am.
prepare a tally mark table for that.
Ma'am, do we want to write numbers? Question
Yes.
numbers.
Question number, yes. Put question number 2.
Okay.
Please mute your audios, everyone.
Is this question also a class test?
Yes. 2 questions.
Ma'am,
Okay, wait. Asad has completed. Okay. Let others complete. After that, we can discuss the answer. Hanna, have you completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it.
I'm writing the fruit's name.
Okay.
ma'am, finish.
Wait, my dear. Let others complete.
I'm finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, finished.
Is there anybody to complete?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Anybody is there to complete? Please unmute and
Ma'am,
tell me.
Catherine
Okay,
is not completed.
Okay,
Ma'am,
complete.
finished.
Okay.
Let
Wait, I'll give you
everyone
1
that
minute.
Finish.
not completed to write.
Okay.
Please.
Oh, please complete it. Now, have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody is remaining to complete?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
A.
Ma'am.
Okay, complete it. May I complete it?
Ma'am, finished.
Finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Now nobody is remaining, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Nobody to complete anything.
Nobody to complete.
Complete.
Need to complete.
Okay. Keep your pencil down, everyone. Keep your
Yes.
pencil down,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone.
Ma'am, I put my
Ma'am, I
pencil
got
down.
all correct answers.
Wait, let me tell the answer. So everybody, keep your pencil down. Hail, have you
Ma'am,
completed? She's still writing, I think.
no, ma'am.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, she's writing.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Finished. Now everybody has finished, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What about Hail? Hail?
Yes, ma'am.
She said completed.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
already
So this
completed.
question onwards, we can discuss the answer. I just simply write the answer. That is enough, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
You
ma'am.
know the way to do.
Yes.
So which one is? So you will get how to give the heading fruits, then tally marks. All of you check your answer, but don't write now. Tally
Numbers.
marks,
Numbers.
and
Banana.
Banana, apple, watermelon, mango.
that the order, let it be banana, then watermelon,
Mango.
Mango.
mango. Then you got apple 4. All of you check.
Apple.
Four.
Banana also 4.
4.
4.
Yes.
Then
Watermelon, 3.
Watermelon. 3.
watermelon 3.
Mango, 6.
Mango. 6.
Mango 6. If you got this number correct, tally mark also correct, you can put 4 marks. All of you put
Okay, ma'am.
4 marks if you got everything correct. If you made any mistake, reduce 1 mark.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ah,
I wrote types of fruits.
it's okay. It's okay. That is not a problem. Just check the tally mark and the number.
3, 6. Okay, ma'am. Next question answer.
Have you all checked your answer and put the
Yes,
mark also?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, yes.
And next one, it was cons. Okay.
Corns, small
It's
cups.
14. I'm not writing cons.
Corns,
Small cups.
medium cups, large cups, tubes.
Tubes. Ma'am, you didn't write the heading.
Yes, ice creams. You can write
Ice
the heading.
creams.
Ice cream.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, in the question itself it is there.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Then
types of ice creams.
it's okay. No problem. If
I
it
write
is,
ice cream.
if you have written, no problem. Types of ice creams. Now numbers. 14. How you will put? 1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5.
7,
1,
8,
2, 3,
9,
4, 5.
10. 11, 12, 13,
13,
14.
14.
All of you check your answer.
Ma'am, it is correct.
1,
It's
2, 3,
correct.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then medium cup
Correct.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ma'am, I finished.
Large cups 11. 1, 2,
11,
3, 4,
5.
5, 6, 7, 8,
I
9,
finished.
10, 11.
11. Correct.
Cubes,
1,
5.
2, 3, 4,
I
5.
finished.
If you got the 5 numbers correct tally mark, you can put 5.
Ma'am, my 2 question is correct.
Okay. So it will be out of
Question
9.
is correct.
Okay. If any
Okay.
mistake is there, you reduce 1 mark. If any number you put wrong tally mark, you can
Out
reduce
of
1.
9.
Ma'am, I write types of ice creams.
It's okay. That titles, no need to worry. You can write types of ice cream. That is not a problem. Only check the tally marks and the
Ma'am,
numbers.
I got full mark.
Okay. Now, have you all checked your answer?
Yes, ma'am. Full mark.
I got full mark.
How many of you got full mark? Please
Ma'am,
raise your hand.
we got.
Oh, very good. Adidev, your video is on. Yes. Adira, I can. Very good, very good, very good. Very good.
Second question.
Some videos are off. So, yes. Hannah, I can see. And Maria, okay. So, I hope you all
Ma'am, I
thorough
got
with
full
the
mark.
tally marks. Next day, I will conduct a MCQ on the same topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, thank you, my dear. Thank you, my dear children. I am going to wind up the class. Bye. See you next time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.